Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we've got Kieran's F80 M3 booked in for a 2-stage paint correction and 1-year ceramic coating. It was booked in for a ceramic wax, but he's upgraded to a 1-year ceramic coating. Right, okay, so the car is now inside, all washed. Just a quick one, wheels are going in for a refurb, so he said not to spend too much time on them, so I've given them a quick wash. Obviously I'll put tyre shine on them and touch them up and make them look pretty. Front bumper's just been resprayed, so that just needs a quick polish. Well, I'm going to see what I can do with it. It's, yeah, not too much going on with the front bumper right now. But for the rest of the car, obviously we'll do the normal procedure, checking the paintwork out. Yeah, it's obviously swirly, as you can tell. But I'm just going to do a test patch just to see. I'll probably do one on the boot lid, and then we'll see how that comes out. So yeah, let's crack on with that now. Right, okay, so the combo we're going to be using is the foam pad to start with on the heavy cut, because the microfibers just fogged everything up basically. So we're just going to go in with the foam pad on this. Big improvement. I mean, that's kind of what we're working with. Try to catch it. There you go. So yeah, going to do the foam pad and then go down to ultra fine finish. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, okay, so that is after the 2 stages. Deeper scratch there. But overall, that is a huge improvement, even if I hold the torch all the way up here. I'm gonna go around this edge here with the 3-inch polisher, and then obviously do the spoiler lip and things like that, because it's a little bit Can't really tell the torching it, but it's a little bit, a little bit flat, so we'll go over that next. So rear end's all polished now, looks much better. Working my way around here. Okay, so before, after on the tips, this whole side's polished. Now coming onto the wings, bonnet, front bumper has just been resprayed, but it's not the best job, so I'm going to see what I can do with it. Hopefully improve it. Yeah, see how I get on. And right, okay, so the whole car is polished now. I'm just going to run around, prep spray, etc., wheels and everything. I'll probably do the wheels at the end, but yeah, much better. Big improvement. Near enough perfect. Yeah, so let's jump straight into that now. So yeah, this is a coating we're using, just Synergy Light 1 year coating. Was booked in for a wax, and I thought, do you know what? After, what's the time now? It's about 20 to 6 in the evening now. Been here since 8 o'clock this morning. So I thought after all that polishing and getting it looking good, might as well just put a 1 year coating on it. So yeah, let's crack on with putting that on. It is Synergy Light by Infinity Wax. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, okay, so I did end up giving the front bumper a quick polish, just to bring it up really. It's not 100% perfect, but it's definitely much better than it was, so I have coated that as well, and yeah. Okay, so the job is now done. Hope you guys enjoyed that one and the afters. I mean, it looks like a completely different car now. For a refurb as well, he said don't go crazy on them. I think this one's alright, but the rest have like some paint chips on them, and the calipers are being painted as well. So yeah, I mean, it looks unreal. The carbon's popping now as well. It was really dull before, and now it's absolutely popping. So yeah, 2-stage paint correction, 1 year ceramic coating. Was meant to be ceramic wax, but I said to him, might as well go for 1 year coating. Didn't charge him any extra. Yeah, I mean, it looks mint. It looks really good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.